In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed third-party tools on WordPress.com. We'll walk through this process, step by step, so you can easily integrate those essential tools and media into your WordPress site. First things first, we need to log into WordPress.com. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once there, find the Login button and go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you'll be on your site's dashboard. Look around for the option that says Pages on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll manage all of your static content pages. Click on Pages to expand this section. It'll list all the pages that are currently on your WordPress site. Now, from this list of pages, you need to find the page you want to embed the third-party tool onto. Once located, click on Edit, which will take you to the page editor. This is where you can make changes and add new elements to your page. Within your page editor, look for a small plus icon, usually in the top left corner or within the editor itself. It's the Add Block option, and once you click it, a block library will appear. This is where the magic begins. In the search box that you see at the top of this block library, you're going to type Embed. This helps by filtering the results to show only embed blocks. You'll see a variety of options such as YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter, and many others. Choose the kind of embed you'd like to insert. Let's say you want to add a YouTube video. Select the YouTube Embed option. After you select your embed block, you should see a box appear in your content area, inviting you to paste a URL. This is where you'll paste the link of the third-party tool or media item you want to embed. For example, if embedding a YouTube video, just paste the video URL directly into the box. It's as simple as copying the link from the third-party site and then pasting it into WordPress. Once you've pasted your URL, you'll need to hit the Embed button to confirm and activate the embed. And there you go, WordPress will now automatically transform that URL into an embedded object within your page. You can preview it to ensure everything looks perfect before you click on Publish or Update to save your changes. Congratulations! You've just embedded a third-party tool on your WordPress site. With these steps, you can now easily bring in rich, interactive content to make your website even more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!